And today I'm here with
Becky Sparling. We're going to take a look at this beautiful condo at the Whaler, but let's take a look from the front door. Welcome. Let's take a look.
Wow, Becky, this place looks beautiful. When did they do the renovation?
The number one highlight is they did a complete remodel in 2024.
Well, they did an amazing job in this smallish kitchen.
They really did, Lee. They have beautiful quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and this gorgeous open shelving that is functional and aesthetic.
Oh, I thought you said it was cute. You know, it seems kind of weird to say that we're going to show you around a studio, but there are so many cool things in this place.
One of my top 2 favorite things about the studio at the Whaler is this cute little banquette they built in, maximizing space and functionality.
And I just want to point out, for a studio, this has got a great full bathroom. It's got this gorgeous new shower. Just look at that finish with the soap niche. Yeah, and I just love the rainwater shower head and that little personal shower head. So here's the living area, living room, bedroom, and Becky just pointed out the ceiling.
The first thing that'll catch your eye is that gorgeous wallpaper they chose, giving you the nice indoor-outdoor tropical feel. So this is my favorite spot, on the cozy couch where you can sit in the morning with a cup of coffee, in the evening with a cocktail, and stare out at the beautiful ocean.